The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off. Kiki, this is the building that is on fire! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. Fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add